All right, we're here on the 12th floor. We're gonna take a look at the apartment. Let's go. Reminder, this apartment is sold as one apartment. It was subdivided into 3 separate apartments, and that's what we're gonna look at. This investment is turnkey, and it's also hands-off, because if I were an Airbnb guest, I would get a code for the main door here. This is a common hallway because the apartments are all separated here. Then I would get a key code here. I would get my key, open up my apartment. Let's say I'm staying in this one. Let's take a look at this one first. As you can see, it's pretty spacious for being a 1-bedroom. Come on in here and we'll take a look at this kitchen here. So here you've got a kitchen, a lot of space for cooking. You've got 4 stovetops. You've got the big sink here, a lot of storage space for cups, plates, etc. All of these open up and close here. And also down here, you've got the microwave. All of them have the microwave down there, and obviously utensils and everything that you would need for all of your Airbnb guests that are staying long term. I say long term because this is zoned as residential right now, but they're in the process of rezoning these so that they can do dailies. So the price right now is set for residential and 30-day rentals. But if this were being sold a year from now, once it's rezoned to commercial and you could do daily rentals, this will be a lot more expensive because now you're not selling a residential apartment, you're selling a business. So let's continue with this tour. You've got the refrigerator there and you've got a full bathroom over here. This one has 2 full baths and 1 bedroom. As you can see, you got a lot of space here, easily fit in here. Let's head back out to the living area. This can technically fit 4 people. You've got the 4-person kitchen table here, and you also have a couch here that can actually fold out and accommodate for 2 people. It might be a little bit of a tight squeeze, but if it were mine, I'd probably put a bigger couch here that can become a bigger sofa bed to accommodate for 4. And you've got a view over here onto the east of Medellin. You're gonna wanna stay until the end of the video because we're gonna do a walkthrough of the neighborhood, but this is El Poblado, the east of El Poblado. This is Loma La Linde over here, straight ahead, where you have famous buildings like Art Living and Parma that most people know, and obviously Avenida Poblado. Now let's head over to the bedroom over here. A lot of space in this bedroom. You've got the king-size bed there. No air conditioning. I've got all the windows open right now so you get good airflow, but if it were mine, I'd probably add air conditioning. Although a fan does the job so far, as you can see, I'm gonna share the Airbnb links and see what kind of ratings they're getting already. Check out this bathroom here. This is a full bathroom. Very spacious. Yeah, again, you want to stay until the end of the video because I'm going to do a little walkthrough of the neighborhood and tell you why this neighborhood is so great to invest in. We're in the neighborhood of Manila. Let's go down to the next apartment over here. I'll let you go first. This is the next 1-bedroom. It's a little smaller than the other one, but still a lot of space. 4 people could fit in this one as well. You've got the kitchen here. It's a tighter squeeze here, but I mean, if you're staying here for a month, you don't need much more than this. Same size sink, same size stove top and refrigerator. And again, storage space. You've got the toaster, microwave oven down here, etc. So everything that you need to be here long term is here. We'll take a look at the bedroom over here. Again, this one has a king size bed. The same view as the previous apartment over there. Onto the east side. You get more of the northern view here as well. And when you close these windows, these are soundproof windows. You get like no sound in here. They're like the double pane windows. And then you've got the bathroom here. Again, full bath. A lot of space there. All right, let's go into the living area. I'll let you go first. So here's the living room area. I mean, there's a lot of breeze here, which is great. Yeah, a lot of space. Again, this can accommodate for 4 people. You've got the kitchen table here. You've got the TV here and the view out there. Okay, so let's go to the next apartment over here. I'll let you go first. This is the corner unit. And again, a lot of space here. You've got more kitchen area, I think, here. The countertop's a little different here, but it's also scratchless. You've got the same size sink and stovetop and refrigerator here. Let's take a look at the bedroom, which is bigger than any of the other bedrooms. I actually like this unit the most out of all of them. I think it has the most windows, so you got a lot of natural light. King size bed. You've got a bigger desk and bigger chair here. I would probably do this for all of them if it were mine, but this is really nice. As a person that works online, this is clutch for me. You're gonna have to come in this way and close the door here so that you could check out the shower area. All right, so that does it for the 3 bedrooms, but we're not done. Let's take a look at this common area over here. So this is the common area because this is the hallway. But I asked, like, what if I'm a digital nomad staying here for 3 or 4 months, or even just days or weeks, and I need to do laundry? Check out this area right here. This is the laundry area. You've got a washer here, but you've got enough space for the washer-dryer combo. Another important thing to notice is that each apartment has its own water heater, so that you're not competing for heat with the others. Now let's go take a little tour of the neighborhood. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this apartment. Is it something that you would invest in, or maybe stay in if you're a visitor to Medellin? Let's go. We're at the entrance of the apartment building here. On this first floor, you've got a few things. You've got a few shops. You've got a beauty salon over here. If you look over here, you also, on this side, you've got the barber shop here, so you don't have to go very far to get your hair done, whether you're a guy or a girl. And let's take a walk over here. Here you've got a restaurant that is a menú del día type restaurant where you can have lunch or breakfast. They serve breakfast as well, or dinner even. But it's one of those that's very cheap and fast, but very good food. So if you have guests down here that need to use the bank machine is just right across the street, which is a big perk. You could get anywhere through the street. This is Avenida Poblado. It goes across the city all the way down to downtown, all the way through Envigado. So anywhere you need to go, if you get on an Uber, it could just go straight down that way or straight up that way. Now let's go check out the park because we're just a couple minutes away. Let's go. All right, this is Parque del Poblado over here. This is where there's a lot of restaurants. At night, they have a bunch of people congregate here to drink, talk, socialize. Sometimes they'll have live music over here. If you go that way, only 10-minute walk to Provenza and Parque Lleras all the way up there. So this location is very central, especially for tourism. That's what makes this apartment such a unique investment opportunity. Now let's go to my favorite area of all, which is Barrio Manila, this way. There's the sports bar there. Let me know what you think of this neighborhood. Manila, let me know what you think about the apartment in the comments below. Also, if you're interested, there's a link in the description. Click it, fill out the form, and we'll show you the apartment. Or maybe you're looking for something else, just indicate in that form, and we'll find it for you guys. This is a little French bakery that also does coffee. Let's check it out. Okay, I want, yo quiero un americano, de café, bordelaise.
Compota de fresas.
Wow. Okay, this is a little hidden gem because they've got really good coffee, but these are the stars of the show right here. Look at that. Oh my God. All right, so this has strawberry in it. Let's try that. Oh my God. This is like lemon right here. Try that one. That's very good. This one's got peanut butter. Oh, very dry. I saved the best for last. I think the best for last. This is the passion fruit. Oh. They're all good. But the strawberry one is the best. Here, try it, Dad. Yeah, it's good? If you're ever down in Barrio Manila, check out this French pastry here. This is the neighborhood. We'll see you guys in the next video.